Hi everyone, in this video I will explain how to use Xero Accounting Software as an accountant and have a complete picture of performance of a business over a period. It's super easy to have an account in Xero Software. You can enter your email and password and can have a free trial for 30 days. But for this video I will go with Demo Company. So right here it's the dashboard. You can keep track of all the things: business bank account, invoices, bills, and profit or loss. So over here you will have the dashboard, and the next option is sales option. If you click on sales option, you can have an overview of your sales, keep track of invoices, online payments, quotes, products and services that you have in your stockpile, all the lists. And I will add a new item to the stock as well now. So click on new item and this screen will show up. So right here you will need to write a code. Every company has a unique style of coding. I will go with a random code. So the item name is laptop. I will go with laptop, and you can check this box to keep track of inventory item, but I will keep this blank. Cost prices, for example, we could say 900 US dollars, and purchase account is debited. Which account? The purchase account, which has the code of 300. So you can have tax adjustment as well. I will keep this tax on purchases, and the description is right here. I will keep this laptop. And sale price, what should be the sale price? I will go with 1000 US dollars, and sell account which has 200 code should be added. So right here you can here save it, and right here you can keep track of it. And so now let's make a sale invoice for this business. We will need to go to sales and click on invoices. Right here you will need to click on new invoice, and a new screen will pop up, and you will need to fill all the information that is required right here. This is the contact of the customer that you have provided the services. So it's pre-saved. There are pre-saved contacts right here. You can add and adjust new contacts as well, or delete some contacts that you don't want. I will go with ABC Furniture. So right here the issue date of the invoice is for June, and the due date right here I will need to make a due date for this as well. Invoice number is this. Reference, it can be blank, or you can have a reference for this invoice as well. So it can be right here for the payments section. It can be paid through PayPal account. Currency is US dollars, and the amounts are tax inclusive. You can have tax exclusive as well according to your preferences. And right here for this chart you will need to add the item. I will go with laptop that we had before added. So right here the quantity of this is 10 and the price is 1000. So right here if you click right here, all the things have been automatically done by the Xero Accounting Software. So add online payment, we will not add any online payment, and we will approve it and email the customer to join and pay the bill. So we will send an email for this, and this is how you can have a new invoice as well. So let's record an expense for this business. We will go to purchases and click on expenses. In this screen that will pop up, you can keep track of all the expenses that you had before. But for this, we will claim a new expense for this business. Click on expense claim. And in the new page, you will need to put all the information about the expense. First is the amount. I will put 200 US dollars. And the description, even though it's optional, but it's a good practice to have a description of the expense. I will go with telephone expenses. And for the next option, how did you pay? It was company money, and it was paid through business bank account. So spent at. And next option, you have multiple service providers, and it's pre-saved. You will need to save it before this transaction or this expense is recorded. So I had office suppliers. An account, to which account this should be added. So I will go with telephone and internet expenses, which had the code of 489. And keep in mind that those accounts are pre-saved. You can adjust it and you can add new accounts as well. So right here, region, if your company is operating in different regions, you can have multiple regions, and this expense was incurred. I will go with north. And for the next option, assign to a project or a customer, it's optional. We will keep it blank. But for the left side, if you see, you can upload an image in order to prove and have uh, keep a record of this expense. It can be a bill, it can be a receipt. I will upload an image, so I will go with expenses and add this image for this. So right here you can see this is the expense report, or it can be a bill, it can be a receipt, whatever you want, and then approve this expense for this business. So it will be approved, and right here you can keep track of it. It was right here, office supplies, company, telephone expenses, it was approved. It has the amount of $200 and has attachment on it. And lastly, one of the most powerful feature of this software is reporting. So on our home section, you can have your profit and loss report, which shows revenue, expenses, and profit over a specific time of period. So right here, click on net profit or loss, and you can have your professional statement of profit or loss. You can update it and add some new things. You can have filter it and sort accordingly according to your preferences. So this is how Xero Accounting Software is working. Please subscribe to our channel in order to have updates and how AI and technology is changing the way the accountants behave.